the SCO will continue to grow and prosper. Let me also congratulate my brother, President Ibrahim Raisi, on the Islamic Republic of Iran's accession to the SCO. Full member, we warmly welcome you and are confident that Iran's inclusion will immensely benefit this organization. We also look forward to welcoming Belarus, another friend of Pakistan, as a full member at the next summit. I am also delighted to congratulate Bahrain, Kuwait, Maldives, Myanmar and United Arab Emirates on their accession as new dialogue partners. Excellencies, we are meeting at a very critical juncture in our history and the world at large, where important developments are taking place in the socio-economic and security spheres. In this era of global geopolitical flux, the SCO has acquired added significance as a beacon of stability, security, peace and progress. The fundamental values of Shanghai spirit are more relevant now than ever before. Excellencies, connectivity has become a defining feature of the modern global economy and is rightly hailed as a vehicle for peace and prosperity. Each year, SCO leaders underscore the importance of investing in connectivity to achieve our shared vision of an economically integrated region. Building efficient transport corridors and reliable supply chains are crucial elements of this shared vision. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, a flagship project of the Belt and Road Initiative, can be a game changer for connectivity, stability, peace and prosperity in this entire region. Pakistan's location serves as a natural bridge connecting Europe and Central Asia with China, South Asia and Middle East. Special economic zones being set up under the CPEC framework have direct access to our ports, which can serve as convenient conduits for regional trade promotion. And to that end, Pakistan plans to host the SCO Conference on Transport Connectivity for Regional Prosperity in the last quarter of 2023. Excellencies, the SCO member states have a shared interest in ensuring peace and stability in the region, which is a precondition for economic development anywhere in the world. The hydra-headed monster of terrorism and extremism, whether committed by individuals